Ellie had hiccups. A loud, sudden hiccup. She grabbed her favorite hat to hide her face. But this hat wasn't normal. It shimmered. When Ellie hiccuped, the hat made silly sounds. Honk, honk, woof, woof, meow, meow. Each hiccup sang. Ellie giggled, but the sounds didn't stop. At school, her hiccups echoed in the hall. Kids stopped and stared, then burst out laughing. "Ellie's hat is magic," whispered Jenny. Soon the playground was full of giggles, but the hiccups grew stronger, louder, and contagious. Even teachers hiccuped, making funny noises. Ellie felt nervous and thought, what if this never ends? She ran to the school library for help. There in the school library, a wise owl book told her that to stop magic, you must share kindness. Ellie invited friends to a hiccup party that afternoon in school. They took turns telling jokes and sharing hugs. With each kind act, the hiccup sound softened. The magic was not just laughter, it was love. Finally, Ellie's hiccups calmed to a gentle hiccup. She smiled and took off the hat. "Magic is better when shared," she said. Her friends cheered, ready for the next adventure. Kindness and sharing bring joy, even in the hiccups. Being yourself, even silly, helps everyone smile together.